Hey everyone, welcome back to Electrified Deliveries. Today is Friday and it's the day after Halloween. I don't remember the last time I've done the day after Halloween. I don't know if people ordered last night and tonight's not going to be good, but you know what's good? We're starting off with this one, $11, 14 minutes. The magic 11. When Uber gives me a short one with an $8 or more tip, they cap it at $8. This one could be more. I'm thrilled if it's 11. I'll be even more thrilled if it's more. Let's go grab it and we'll find out. Hi, Uber Eats for Andrea. Oh, absolutely. I'll get my phone for you. It is 12C70. Perfect.
I don't want to miss that.
No, of course. Thank you. You gotta love when the orders are ready. That one was ready and it took under 10 minutes. Yes, I'll take it. $11 or more in my pocket. Right away, they gave me this one, $9.04, 20 minutes. It's a little long, but the way I look at it, almost $20 for the first half hour. Yes, sign me up. Let's go grab it. Is that for Mike, Uber Eats?
Mike, yeah.
Mike B, thank you. Appreciate it. What a great start I'm having. Both orders were ready. Both orders dropped off under the time they gave us. They gave me this one, $11.60, 29 minutes to the movie theater. This should be another one that's ready, so I should be able to do it in under time. Even if it is time, I'm going to be making over $30 in this first hour. It must be the rain. I don't think people are tipping because of the rain. I just think drivers are saying, hell nah, I'm not doing it, but this guy's doing it, and I'm making some money. Let's go grab it. Hi, is that Uber for Nicole?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm picking it up when you're ready.
Almost.
Thank you.
Yeah. They're just going to be two bags.
Oh yeah, no worries. Yep. Perfect, thank you so much.
Yeah, have a good one. You might
You
want to
too.
grab this one from the phone.
I will.
Yeah.
Yep, thank you. That big bag there, I just feel like the handles are gonna give if you don't grab it from the bottom. It feels like it's ready to go. Thank you. I have some great news. Remember that first order I did that I thought had a hidden tip? Well, great news, it did. That customer gave me an additional $5.65. Yes, and that last order I did was exactly $8 difference. So that one could have a hidden tip as well. Very exciting. This night is nonstop. I got this one as well, $9.09 for 21 minutes. It's not too far from here and it's taking me back into a zone I want to deliver in. So let's keep the night rolling. The rain is helping me. It's raining dollars. Comment down below and give me your thoughts on the rain. Does that mean it's raining money? Customers are tipping more, they feel bad for us? Or does that mean less drivers are out and all the offers are coming to me? Either way, I'll take it. I'll talk to you in the comments. Let's go grab it. Hi, Uber Eats for Colin.
Yeah, it's just right here.
That one? Thank you. That order was also ready. It's been like that all night. Orders have been ready. I'm making big money. I am loving it. I'm also loving this one. $14.08, 31 minutes. Once I drop this off, I'm going to be on pace for over $30 an hour. Go me! Hi, Uber Eats for Keegan.
Yeah, it's ready.
Perfect.
Here you go.
Appreciate that. Oops. Thank you.
Have a very good night.
You too. More great news coming to me tonight. Remember that Cineplex order, the second one with a hidden tip? That customer gave me an additional $4. Yes, that's awesome. You know what else is awesome? This offer, $9.67. It came immediately as soon as I dropped that off. 14 minutes, all in. Yes, another 10 bucks. Let's go get it. It's only a large pizza. It should be quick. Let's hope it's ready. Hi, I'm picking up for Uber Eats for Brad, 97E9B. Brad? Yeah. Sure. Oh, perfect. For the first time all night, I felt the wrath of non-tippers. All I was getting was really bad orders. $3, $4, $4.03 to go 43 minutes. Absolutely decline, not gonna take it. My perseverance paid off and I got this one. It's a double, $10.67 for 26 minutes. And a couple minutes later, they gave me an add-on, 8 minutes for $4 additional dollars, $14.67. Triple order time, let's go grab it. Oh yeah, and if you can like and subscribe to the video, that would be amazing. Thank you. Hi, I'm picking up for Uber Eats, 050D6 for MD Sharif Islam. Perfect. Thank you. Hi, picking up 2 orders for Uber Eats for Stephen and Christy. Yes. That's Stephen. Oh, this is Christy? Okay, that's Stephen. Perfect. Thank you so much. Hi, Uber Eats delivery. It has been kind of on and off all night. Thank you. Enjoy. Hi, how are you? Oh, let me get that off so I don't shine you in the light. Can I have your PIN number?
1222.
Awesome, thank you so much. There you go, enjoy. Thank you. Hi, Uber Eats for Jazz Karn. Perfect, thank you, appreciate it. Oh, how you doing?
Hey, how are you?
Doing well. Get your food out here. There you go. You got it perfect. Have a wonderful night. That last order I got took about 6 minutes all in. It was just down the road. Awesome. I love that. And as soon as I delivered that, Uber is celebrating me. I hit a milestone of 8,000 deliveries since I started Uber. Wow, I didn't even realize I was that close. No wonder why I'm having a good night. And because I hit that milestone, they gave me this one, $7, 16 minutes. Let's go grab it. Let's celebrate along the way. Hi. Yeah, for Uber, 6521C. Perfect, it's ready. Thank you. Have a good night. Thanks. So that's going to do it for me for tonight. My grand total, $104.09, under 4 hours, $25 an hour, 8,000 deliveries in my lifetime. It's a great night. It really was non-stop. There was a small window where I wasn't getting any orders because they were all non-tippers. But for the most part, all of these orders came through and I took almost every order that came to me. So I was really excited for tonight. I'd love to see these nights continue and making $100 consistently, but I'm happy to at least get it on a Friday. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you later.